Hello, dear friends, my dear students, BE 6th semester Electrical Engineering as well as Electronics Engineering. I am here Lalit Kumar P. Bhiya, Associate Professor, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, Bharati College of Engineering and Technology, Durg. Dear students, last time we have seen the numericals on filter realization, that is filter structure. About 2 to 3 numericals we have seen of different types. Again we will go if certain numericals which are also very important for designing these filters and filter structures. Today we will see the new numerical in this video. Last time this all we have seen in this video. This numerical we have already seen. Now let us go to this numerical. Here you can see here. Find the direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization for the second order filter given by y of n is equal to twice b cos omega 0 y of n minus 1 minus b square y of n minus 2 plus x of n minus b cos omega 0 n omega 0 x of n minus 1. Now we have to realize this difference equation or this filter equation in terms of direct form 1 and direct form 2. In direct form 1, we have the zeros to the left side, all zero system to the left side and all pole system to the right side. That is zeros to the left and poles to the right. And in direct form 2, it is opposite. We have poles to the left and zeros to the right. So, you can develop the transfer function from this given equation by taking z transform of y of n, y of z, and after y of z you can calculate h of z, that is y of z upon x of z, and this comes to be 1 minus b cos omega 0 z inverse upon 1 minus twice b cos omega 0 z inverse plus b square z to the power minus 2. Now you can observe in this equation, this numerator are the poles and denominator are the numerator are the zeros and denominator are the poles. So you have to represent in direct form 1. So you can represent x of n and line of 1, and to the left side the zeros are there, 1 coefficient b cos omega 0 and 1 delay element. So you can see here, this is x of n, 1 delay element, and this is minus b cos omega 0 is the coefficient. So this part is the numerator part. This line indicates 1. This is z inverse is 1 delay. So you will get x of n minus 1 here, and this is coefficient minus b cos omega 0 x of n minus 1 plus this x of n. So here you can see in this equation 1 minus b cos omega 0 z inverse, 1 minus b cos omega 0 z inverse, or you can see here, from this you can also write, this is x of n minus b cos omega 0 x of n minus 1. This is x of n minus b cos omega 0 x of n minus 1. So here this is x of n and this is minus b cos omega 0 x of n minus 1 due to this delay element. Similarly, the denominator is 1 minus twice b cos omega 0 z inverse plus b square. So you can see this is the denominator, this is line of 1, this is z inverse twice b cos omega 0 and this is b square. Minus, in place of minus it is plus, and in place of plus it is minus b square while taking the transfer function. But in equation the sign will be same. Here you can see this equation, 2b cos omega 0 y of n minus n. So in this diagram, this is 2b cos omega 0 and this is y of n minus 1. One delay element is here, and here again you can see in this equation minus b square y of n minus 2. So after two elements you will get y of n minus 2 here, and this is minus b square. So this is the zero system and this is the pole system. So this is called as a direct form 1 system. Now this pole system is shown to the left side and this zero system is shown to the right side, and you have common delays between these two. Common delays between, here we use 3 delays, but now you can see it requires only 2 delays in case of the direct form 2 element. Here 2b cos omega 0 and minus b square is shown to the left side. 2b cos omega 0 and minus b square, and this minus b cos omega 0 is shown to the right side, and common delay is used in between these two. So 2 delays are required in direct form 2. This system is called as direct form 2 system, and this is direct form 1 system. In direct form 1, we will represent h1 of z as a numerator, here h2 of z as a denominator, that is zeros, and these are poles. In direct form 2 system, left side are the poles and right side are the zeros. So this reduces the number of delays required. Hence, it is easily to design by the direct form 2 system, or it is recommended to have the design of the FIR filters or with the help of the direct form 2 structure, because it requires the minimum number of delays as compared to the direct form 1 system. So this type of numerical generally asked in the examination. So this is very important to draw the direct form 1 and direct form 2. Now let us see this another numerical. Realize the second order system with this equation. Y of n is equal to twice r cos omega 0 y of n minus 1 minus r square y of n minus 1 n minus 2 plus x of n minus r cos omega 0 x of n minus 1. Just like the previous example, you have to form the transfer function y of z upon x of z, 1 minus r cos omega 0 z inverse upon 1 minus twice cos omega 0 z inverse minus plus r square z to the power minus 2. So by taking z transform of the given equation, you can make the common x of z and y of z, and then make the ratio y of z upon x of z. This is transfer function. And after this transfer function, directly you can go for the direct to form realization. Here you can see this is the denominator side, that is pole side, and this is the numerator side, that is zero side. You can observe this in the diagram. This is 1 and this is twice r cos omega 0 is the coefficient, and here in denominator this is minus twice r cos omega 0. In place of minus it should be plus, and in place of this r square it should be minus r square to the left side, and right side it is a numerator. Numerator shows here 1 minus r cos omega 0. So here this is 1 and this is minus r cos omega 0. This is according to the transfer function. In transfer function, you will get the change in sign in the denominator here, while in numerator there will be no change in sign, but in equation the sign will be the same. You can see this equation here. Already we have gone through this equation. This is the twice r cos omega 0 y of n minus 1. So this is twice r cos omega 0 y of n minus 1, and another one is minus r square y of n minus 2. So here you will get minus r square. So according to equation, the sign will be same, but in transfer function this will be minus and this will be plus, and the delays will be reduced here. Only 2 delays, since it is a second order equation. So we have used the 2 delays only. Hence it is called as a canonic form. So canonic form is also important. Canonic form are those form which uses the number of delays equal to the order of the equation or difference equation, and hence this is called as a canonic form. So this is the second order equation and having using the two delays, and hence it is a canonic form. So therefore you can draw this direct form 2 structure with the help of this structure diagram. Later on again you can see the another numerical here. This numerical is obtain direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization of a system described by y of n minus 3 by 4 y of n minus 1 plus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2 is equal to x of n plus 1 by 2 x of n minus 1. It is again very easy to draw the direct form 1 and direct form 2. In direct form 1, this right side is implemented as a zeros because this is in terms of x of n. So zeros will be implemented or drawn in the structure to the left side, and to the right side these poles will be implemented in direct form 1. And in direct form 2, these poles will be implemented to the left side and zeros will be implemented to the right side. So you can determine the transfer function from the equation by taking z transform. This transfer function will be 1 plus 1 by 2 z inverse upon 1 minus 3 by 4 z inverse plus 1 by 8 z to the power minus 2. And finally you can draw this diagram. This is the direct form 1 realization of h1 of z, that is numerator, and this is direct form 1 realization of the denominator. This direct form 1 realization of the numerator, and hence you can draw this equation as a direct form 1 and direct form 2 realization. Thank you very much for seeing this problem and hearing these numericals also. I hope that go through the practice of the numericals and try to your best level. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on the phone or ask me on the mail or WhatsApp, or we have a Google Classroom also. So you can use any of the platform. Within this pandemic period, we are at home. You enjoy it and do the more and more problems and ask me your difficulties. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.